I love you, Lord, my strength. I love you, O Lord, my strength. O Lord, my rock, my fortress, my deliverer. I love you, Lord, my strength. My God, my rock of refuge, my shield, the horn of my salvation, my stronghold. I will call upon the Lord, who is worthy to be praised. So I'll be safe from my enemies. I love you, Lord, my strength. The Lord lives, and blessed be my rock, and may the God of my salvation be exalted. Great salvation he brings to his king. He shows loving devotion to his anointed.